What is up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you had a good weekend. Today the market was pretty slow, to be honest. It is a rollover contract rollover day, so you know, and also we have early close on Wednesday, so people might be taking vacation and stuff. So basically the momentum and the volume was not there, and I did take a couple trades. I think it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades total, 3 losers and 2 winners. Again, I'll talk about these trades in a minute, but yeah, I'm up 60 bucks. I did start a blue sky valuation, and this move right here is pretty crazy. I had a feeling that we're gonna hit all-time highs. I wasn't sure, and I'll talk about this trade when we get there. But anyways, yeah, so these 2 trades right here, basically you have a downtrend working down, break, 2 legs down, a higher low at the EMA, and I was looking for price to come back to the top of the range, which eventually it did, as you can clearly see. It just, the price decided to make another 3rd leg down. So it happens. It is what it is. But I do want to mention something here. All these trades would have worked for 1 point. All 3 of them. All 5 of them actually worked for 1 point, for that matter. But I was not looking for 1 point. I was looking for a 2 to 3 points, because I need to start practicing taking or holding trades longer. That's my biggest weakness so far in my trading, is when I see something like, perfect example here, I don't hold to it. I just scalp out, and then I see the price move without me. So again, this is my biggest weakness right now in my trading, so I need to fix that. So today I decided to hold trades a little longer. Again, it would have worked for 1 point, but I wasn't scalping for 1 point. So, and then also the second trade was a failure. So you have new low, first entry short, second entry short, failure. Again, would have worked for 1 point, but I wasn't looking for 1 point, so I got stopped out. Both of these, all 3 of these trades were a 1 contract. So third trade was here again, a little bit of a mistake, to be honest, just because we did make these kind of 3 legs down, so to speak. And there's also triple test here, but yeah, I wasn't really sure what was doing, because again, like I said, breaking low already in place, and I was looking at the price to retest the top of the range. But I decided to take a short here anyways. Again, it would work for 1 point, but then it was a second entry short, and it failed actually. That would have been a nice little failure here. But yeah, I wasn't really seeing the price action correctly here, just because I already had 2 losers. That's natural. So I thought I'd take a break and just kind of chill out for a second. There is a second entry here, again, which would have worked for 1 point. And then if you hold it, it would have been fine, because your stop loss would have been right here. I wasn't looking forward to trade in this area, just because I already had 3 losers. So I was like, all right, I'm going to chill out for a second. It is also in the middle of the range, which I don't like. Man, look at this move. That's crazy. And then I decided to take a short here. Now this was basically a footprint trade, and this was around what, 10.25, yeah. So this was the candle right here. As you can clearly see, we have huge difference between max delta and min delta. To me, that's a good sign. There's a lot of selling pressure. I decided to take a short. I was aiming for 2 points, but then I thought about it. You know what? This is a counter trend trade, so maybe I just scalp out with 1 point. If it was a little bit closer to the top of the range, I would have scalped out for more. But since we made this little bit of a move here, it's kind of too far from top of the range. I only wanted to get 1 point, which I did get. And I saw the second entry long here, and I decided to hold to this top of this swing high. And when I was trading this trade right here, I was thinking we're probably going to hit all-time high. Like I was pretty much 60% sure we're gonna hit all-time high, and we did, obviously, and then some. Obviously, this is again, this is all-time high again. So this was a 3-point trade, and I got all my losses back, and then I was in profit as well. So again, 60 bucks on a day. On a day like this, I'll take it. But this, again, man, I should have just, you know when you get like that stomach feeling, that gut feeling, right? Like maybe I should place my target profit somewhere here. And yeah, I mean, look at this move. This is huge. So I could have got 6-7 points here. This was almost a 20-point move. yeah, well, it happens, right? It happens. At least I got 3 points. I'm happy with that. I stuck to my plan, my trading plan, and yeah, it played out. So I actually had to step outside to walk my dogs, and I left the trade on, and because this right here, this area right here was very slow, super slow. But anyways, that was my day. Honestly, again, there was just look at this right here. This would have been a nice little short here. You see what I mean? See like how the min does has minus 856, max does 12. Huge selling pressure. We already made all-time highs and then some, so there's a pretty good chance that we might come down at least to the EMA or so. But it worked for a scalp, so, and the risk was minimal too. It was around 2.25. Yeah, 2.5 points. So yeah, would have been a nice little short here. But anyways, and you can also actually see that we made basically a measured move. Not basically, we did make measured move. So there you have it. So this would have been a solid short. Ideally, you want to look for a lower high to like confirm, so to speak. But if you're aggressive and you're watching the footprint, and clearly see that, you know, I mean, this is a beautiful short right here. It might just keep going up. You never know. But at the moment, I would have taken that trade. But anyways, that's it for the video. That's it for me. Tomorrow I will be streaming live again. I'll be trading the blue sky valuation. Hopefully tomorrow's price action will be a little bit better. I doubt it, just because, again, like I said, Wednesday is a holiday, so people might be just taking breaks and stuff. Who knows? Maybe the whole week is gonna be slow. I don't know, but we'll see. Anyways, that's all I got for the video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.